What's going on, YouTube? Welcome into my first ever motovlog here on the channel. My name is Andrew, and appreciate you clicking on the video today. This is going to be like a little intro video, first ride type of deal. I don't know what that was. But a little bit about myself here. Today I'm on my 2019 Kawasaki Z650 here. This is actually my first bike that I've gotten. I've been wanting to get a bike for a while, ever since I was in middle school here, and a little over 10 years later, here I am on my first one. But yeah, I mean, most of this content that I'll be doing is just riding and talking, basically stuff like that. And we're just gonna, see what happens. I'm just gonna have a fun time with it, chat a little bit here and there. You guys watch me ride. I do want to know what everyone else is riding. I'm always curious. I do want to eventually upgrade here, but not too sure what I want. I've been looking at a 636, but I'm not too sure with all the issues they've been having lately. So we'll kind of see what happens. But yo, this kid is sitting in the front and he's like turning back. I don't even think he had a seatbelt on. That shit is wild. I mean, I can't be saying much. I'm riding a bike. No seatbelts here, but come on, man. The dude looked like he was 8. Nah, he's probably a little older than that, but you catch my drift. Yo, this car. But yeah, we're just having a good time. I've been riding for a little over a year and a half now. I got my bike in July of 2024. So yeah, and we're gonna have a little different content than the normal stuff here. I'm not actually home right now, so we'll be seeing different stuff along the way. But bro, these lights down here, I'm in South Carolina right now, sorry by the way, but the lights down here are terrible. They're so hard to tell when they turn red and when they're green. I am not used to it at all. I'll make sure I don't ran over here. It's a beautiful day today. Oh my gosh, I can't believe. If I was home right now, there'd be no riding, be snow. It's all ice and cold and gross. But it's been warmer here, so I was like, you know what? Why not take it out for a little bit, So that's what we are doing. So I'm going to be exploring down here a bunch. I don't exactly know where I'm gonna go. I'm just kind of, going where the road takes me. I think that's the best way to ride when you got no plans or nothing. Just go out and explore a little bit. So I'm actually gonna turn here. Oh, I know where this goes. Okay. But yeah, so a little bit about myself. Like I said, today I am on a 2019 Z650, and it's a blue one, as you can see. But yeah, this is my jam. I've been loving it ever since I got my bike. Like I said, I've been wanting one for a while, and finally was able to get one. And I said, why not? I got the camera to more is in case anything happens, but I was like, you know what? Why not? I already have the camera. Might as well record and post and see what happens. So yeah, we'll kind of see where this goes, and we'll go from there. Ooh, I hate being out in the intersection like this. All right. I didn't plan for going too long today. Car better watch. Woo. But yeah. But this wasn't going to be a long video. It's going to be a short one, just a little intro. I do have some other video plan ideas, but we'll see what happens with those. And like I said, I'm got to get used to talking on camera a little bit more, and I don't know how the editing will turn out. Probably just be cuts in between where I'm talking. But if you guys are new, I would really appreciate if all of you would like and subscribe today. And my goal is to try to put out a video every week, once a week. That's the goal. But other than that, I appreciate everyone coming through, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Have a good one.